Let's look into the benefits of dematerialization. So the first benefit is the risk of handling physical share certificate, whether it will get lost or a theft. All these risks of handling a physical share certificate is taken away by dematerialization. So what is the risk is whether you will lose it or it will be stolen, that is theft, or a forgery may be done, fraud, or any damage to the share certificate will be done. So these risks are eliminated when it is being converted into electrical form of share certificate using dematerialization. Secondly, it is a lack of paperwork. So usually in India, the basic attitude is when there is a lot of paperwork, people tend to work very slow. So since here it's going to be everything electronical and certain things are going to be automatically done by the system, so there is no paperwork involved in it. So since there is lack of paperwork, there is high efficiency in starting a share certificate in the electronic form. Thirdly, it is an easy trade from any location. So since it's gonna be on network basis and on the system, so the investor can from any location trade through dematerialization, or he can buy and sell securities using the system from any location, even from his home or from his office. He can buy and sell securities over the system. So there is going to be an automatic credit system for those companies which come under a merger or an consolidated company. So if the investor is going to buy shares on a merger or a consolidation company, it is going to be automatically credited into the system, that is automatically credited in the demat account of the investor. As the depository participants play a major role, the investor need not communicate to each and every company that he is going to trade with. So that communication part done by the investor will be transferred to the depository participant, as they are the stockbrokers. So they are going to be intermediaries between the company and the investor to do trade of shares and securities in the electronic form. Sixth point is no stamp duty. So when it is paperwork, we have to do something called as stamp duty. That is, if you would have seen your parents' land registration form or any other type of a registration form, they will have a money or note, a rupee note attested on a piece of paper and the document written down. So that stamp duty, that is called a stamp duty. So if it is gone, the worth is gone, for example, if the worth of that particular thing is going to be 1 lakh, so they have to buy the stamp duty. If they are going to buy 500 rupees stamp duty document means, so 1 lakh divided by 500. So that many papers they have to buy, and they have to write in their documents in those papers. So that's called a stamp duty. That is, we are paying money to the government for registering process. So since it is all electronic, there is no stamp duty involved in a dematerialization format. So the assistance which is provided by the DPs, that is the DPs which are specific to banks, like ICICI, HDFC, as I said. So they provide professional assistance, trained assistance to help out the investors in the dematerialization format, that is to buy and sell in electronic form. So you have a better insight and you have a person to guide you in this format. So if you take securities, there are of two types, that is debt security and equity security. But this demat account allows you to trade in both debt and equity security with a single account itself. Next is, there is no limit of shares to be traded. So in a physical trade, there is a limit of share, the number of shares traded is limited. But when it is a demat trading, the number of shares traded is not limited. A person, an investor can deal with any amount of share, that is he can buy and sell any amount of share in a demat account. Last point is, it can also be used as an collateral security to obtain loan from the financial institution. So this demat account can also be shown as a collateral security to obtain loan from the financial institution. So these are the 10 benefits of dematerialization.